Hello guys, welcome to SemTechHub. In today's video I want to show you guys how to monetize a YouTube channel. So before we begin, you have to open your YouTube account. So I'll click on this and open my YouTube account. As you can see, we already have 1,000 subscribers, and before you can get monetized to YouTube partnership program, you have to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. So to monetize your channel, you have to open your YouTube studio. Okay, so this is our YouTube studio, and we have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000. We have 5,300 watch hours, meaning you have passed the watch hours requirement. So to apply for monetization, you have to click on the Earn button. After that, then click on Apply. You see 3 steps: review based terms, sign up for Google AdSense, and get reviewed. So we need to get started to monetize this YouTube. So I'll click on the start on the first step. So this is about YouTube terms and conditions on their monetization. You have to accept the terms and conditions. Okay, so we are done with the first step. So we are heading to the second step. That is sign up for Google AdSense. So we will click on the start button. You'll be redirected to AdSense to complete this step. So the question is, do you have an existing AdSense account? I'll click no, I don't have an existing AdSense account. Then I'll click on continue. So when you get to this page, you have to select your country. So I'll select my country. After that, you have to read and accept this agreement. Then you tick the checkbox. Then you click on set up account. So this is an individual account, and I will enter my name and address and city and phone number. So the address, I'll use the post office address. So PO Box NW 177. After that, I'll click on the submit. So they are reviewing the second step. So I'll click on redirect to YouTube. So the second step is in progress. And according to YouTube, it will take your AdSense account is being created or associated. The approval and association process usually takes several days but in some cases it can take 2 to 3 weeks. So we have to wait for this step 2 to also be written as done, like this step 1. Yeah. So I think we are done here, and when the step 2 is verified, we will do another video to continue the step 3. Yeah. So this is a simple tutorial on how to monetize your YouTube channel. If this video helped you to monetize your channel, please like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.